Hey guys, it's Sean from Monster RC coming at you from my home course. Today, I came to the realization that I got a lot of work to do. Not only with my ax24, but my course. It's just, there's too many holes, too many pits for this thing to get stuck into. I try my hardest, but as you will see, again, my son is filming and I'm pretending to know what I'm doing, operating this thing. But we're having a blast, both of us. It is a lot of fun. Gotta say, I've definitely got this little guy to a point where it's about as capable as I think it's going to be. The motor that I have, the Spectrum brushless motor, could be a little bit better. It's very jumpy at low RPM, and it's very torquey when it gets up there, and it likes to break stuff if you're not careful. But that has a lot to do with me too. Another thing is I still have the rear servo to replace. You'll see the rear wheels get hung up a lot in the wrong direction. But here's a perfect example of where the course, the holes are too big for the rig. Let me know what you think. Am I nuts? Or do I have a valid point? I try real hard to get out of this spot, but I don't know. I end up having to do a reset right about here. There it is. These are more the size of the gaps that this thing can really do. So I'm going to turn around and I'm going to hit the course from this direction now. I think in the next couple of days I'm going to try to find a couple of locations where I can get out and really run this thing. I know there's a place to get out to a couple of new places this week. definitely found a better line going this way than I did the other way. But even still, I got a lot of work to do, like I said. I'm never going to get out of that. Pick it up and put it on top.
Right.
Put it up there. Yep, thank you. Never getting out of that. I have to remake this board. It's fucking too hard for this little guy. There's most shit I can get through. But well, we're coming close to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I sure did. Thank you for sticking through to the end of the video. Guys, have a great day. Enjoy your wheeling.